Hello everyone, welcome to Ray Shikshan Sanstha's Western Region English Medium YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn Standard 4th Subject EVS 1, Lesson number 22, Transport and Communication, video number 37. Transport means to move from one place to another. Transport is nothing but the movement or the transfer of people, animal or goods from one place to the another. There are three types of or the modes of the transport: on land, on water and in air. Modes of transport: on land, water and air. On land, that is a road transport, we can see the bicycle, scooter, rickshaw, car, bus, truck. These are the road transport. Then water transport: boat, ship. These are the water transport. And air transport: in air transport we can see the aeroplane, helicopter, rocket. These are the air transport. We use these different means of or the modes of transport at different times in history. The means of transport we use nowadays are faster and safer than the older ones. In the air transport, aeroplane, rocket is the fastest mode of transport. To travel far from the earth, we use rocket or aeroplane. Push carts with wheels used to carry heavy loads, and the boat is used to travel through water. Now here are some pictures of transport. The means of transport we use nowadays are faster and safer than the older ones. Invention of wheel. Man used to see logs of wood and round boulders rolling down mountain slopes. It is thought that this observation gave him the idea of the wheel. In the olden days, the planks of the wood were used to transport objects. Later, by attaching wheels to these planks, the speed of transport increased. Time and effort were saved. The invention of the wheel is an important step in the progress of mankind. Actually, wheel was invented for pottery and not for the traveling, but it used after in the transport mostly. Even if the ultra-modern means of transport have been invented in modern times, in some parts of the world, men and animals were still used for the purpose of transport. For example, yaks are used in inaccessible parts, camels in the desert, and palanquins or dollies in mountainous areas or region. Water and wind are the substances that flow. Pipes are used to transport these substances. Water has been transported through pipes or canals since ancient times. It is safer to transport combustible substances such as mineral oil and natural gas through pipes. Crude oil is transported from the oil well to the refinery through a pipeline. Similarly, after refining, it is transported through pipelines to the marketplace in some parts. Communication means obtaining and sending various types of information. It's called as communication. Student, look at the picture. Here are the means of communication. A few centuries ago, messages were sent by typing a letter to the foot of a pigeons. Messages were also sent through runners. In later times, telegrams and the postal service came into use. All these methods were very slow as compared to the modern methods. Nowadays, we have new techniques for communication. Very quick communication. Communication is now used in every field. With the help of media such as radio, television, internet, mobile phones, etc., we can easily communicate with several people at the same time. Man-made satellites are used for this purpose. Newspapers, periodicals, books, radio, television, internet, etc. are all means of mass communication. Communication in ancient times. Man used gestures and facial expressions and different kinds of sounds to communicate. Later, different sounds came to mean different things. This led to the development of language. After spoken language, man invented writing. He began to carve his thoughts onto the walls of caves and pieces of wood. This is a communication in the ancient times. Birds and animals also communicate with each other in nature. Animals make certain specific sounds when they are in danger, when they recognize someone, or when they see food, or when they are injured. Cats, dogs, sparrows, and crows make different sounds in the different circumstances. Student, you also find that the other animals also make such sounds. This means that animals also communicate with each other. They also send and receive messages. Here are the forms of entertainment: Shahir, magic show, street play, puppet show, clown, bioscope. All these acts entertain us. These are all local and live forms of entertainment. We can see these artists in person. Means of entertainment that transmit programs: TV, radio. We use the radio, TV, computer, and projector. We enjoy the programs on these devices. These programs are performed somewhere far away. They are filmed and recorded there and then transmitted to us. We can see and hear the programs using the devices listed above. So, means of entertainment that transmit programs are TV, radio. So student, what we have learned today: means of communication in different periods of time, live entertainment and means of transmission. Student, remember that excess use of these means is harmful for us, for all living beings as well as for the environment. Do understand the concepts and revise at home. Thank you.